This is it right here. Powder mildew. It's basically like white powder spots all over your leaves. So this is a video on we're doing on cucumber plants right now. It could go on your squash plants, pumpkin plants. It could be on your zucchini plant. You guys close up. That's how it is right there. Some of the zucchini plant, like this one right here, that's not powder mildew. You can see just a different variety. It doesn't come off. If you guys only see like one leaf or two leaf, you could always come cut it out, gently put it in the container and throw it away far, and then wash your pruner out or your hands or whatever. You don't want, it could transform to plant, so you don't want that to go. Or what you could do, like what I'm gonna do right now, you can mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a gallon of water, add some soap, dishwashing soap. Try to get Dawn liquid or something like that, and mix that up together, guys, and that will do the job. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So right here I just mixed a little bit of soap and baking soda inside, and you want to make sure you mix it up really good, because look, you can see like there's nothing in there. And then when you come, you just kind of like spray it off. Look, see, when I sprayed it, it's like basically like washing it off. So baking soda and soap dish liquid is not gonna hurt your plant. And what you want to do, spray from the underneath too. And guys, do this early in the morning or late in the evening. Do not do this when the sun is like peak hot, because you will burn your leaves if you do this when the sun is really hot. So this is really early in the morning. It's like after 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna be doing this right now. So applying the soap with the baking soda is a big plus, because if you get any bugs and stuff, the soap helps. So that will, take care of the bugs and also take care of the powder mildew. Another solution what you guys could do is milk and water. Home milk and water. I did a lot of research in it, but I never use it. But people and even Google and everybody was saying using whole milk mixed with water. For bugs, you could either use soap and water, or you could get neem oil, which is really organic and safe for your plants to get rid of bugs too. Check in the link in the description. I'm going to leave the links to all this stuff. So when it comes down to powder mildew on your cucumber plants or squash plants, zucchini plants, they're basically all the same. It's just the leaves are bigger, so you're gonna have to use a lot more on a squash plant or a pumpkin plant. But on the cucumber plant, it's basically what I did there. But if you have a lot more leaf, use a 1 gallon container, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pour in some soap dish liquid. So you could use organic soap and try to use regular baking soda. Make sure you treat this problem fast. Powder mildew will spread. It will spread from plants to plants and take over your whole garden. Anything that goes on in my garden, like bad stuff or even good stuff, I want to share with you, because whatever I can deal with it, I'm handling it, and I know a lot of tips and tricks about it. So this way, if you guys have seen the problem or now even like notice something about it, now you guys know how to fix your problem. You know exactly what is the problem and what to do, so you're not going to be stressed out, frustrated, or you don't have to do like hours of research to do this. Just watch after this video. You guys know how to treat your powder mildew. So guys, if you're new, I always said welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better garden together, right in your backyard, front yard, wherever you guys grow in your garden. If you guys subscribe and click the bell icon, every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away, and you'll be joining Garden. It's 100% free, and we're all about helping each other grow a better garden. We give awesome tips and tricks, and I do some vlog videos, which I have to do more because I kind of like it, and hopefully you guys like it, hanging out with me. If you have any question, always comment below, guys. I try my best to answer. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share to anyone who needs help. And thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. If you ever had this problem and you have an awesome tips that you want to share with us, please do. We really appreciate it.